Have you ever felt frustrated when your manifestations don't work? Or maybe you've been told to, think positive and to believe. All you have to do is believe, 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 and imagine what it is that you want and use visualization to visualize it. But deep down, you're still struggling with fear, with anger, and with doubt. Well, what if I told you that those emotions aren't blocking your magic? They're fuel for the magic. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use EFT to transform the frustration, the fear, the anger, the sadness into some powerful magical energy. So you can manifest from a place of deep emotional alignment and not just forced positivity. My name is Sandra. I'm the author of Tapping into Abundance using EFT tapping and the law of attraction to change your mindset and turn your life around. And I help people every week release limiting beliefs that have been keeping them stuck and stifled to turn their life around and create the life that they want to create, living a life of joy, peace, and empowerment. And if this sounds like you, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. You can also book a one-on-one clarity session with me. It's a free 30-minute session where you get clear about what is keeping you blocked. There's a link in the description field below this video, and you can also grab my free masterclass, How to Heal Your Shadow Through Balancing Your Energy Centers, if you want to know more about subconscious mind, shadow work, and the chakras. So let's get into the tapping to help you release those emotional blocks that are keeping you stuck from manifesting the life you want to manifest. Starting with the karate chop point. Even though it's not working for me. No matter how much I try, I'm okay. Even though it's not working for me. I'm lousy at manifesting. I'm going to honor how I feel anyway. Even though it doesn't work for me. I can't really believe that it's possible. I'm okay. So tapping on the points. This feeling of doubt. It can't happen for me. It's not working. I try to believe. I visualize. I try to stay positive. I even watch what I say. But I'm not getting what I want. It's not happening. And I feel like a failure. What's wrong with me? Is there someone or something out there who just doesn't want me to have it? Am I blocking myself? I feel the fear. That it's never going to happen. I feel the fear. I feel hopelessness. The feeling of hopelessness. And I'm angry. Angry it hasn't happened yet. Angry at the universe. Angry with spirit. Angry with myself. Because it just doesn't seem to be working. Beating myself up. Why me? Works for everyone else. Why isn't my manifestation happening? I don't like feeling like this. It's taking my energy away. I'm over it. This has got to stop. What if everything is happening perfectly? Even if I can't see it yet. What if things are always working out for me? Even if I can't see it. What if things are always working out for me? And I can be safe at the same time. What if things are always working out for me and I can be safe at the same time? What if I'm allowed to have things work out for me? What if I'm allowed to have things work out for me? What if I'm allowed to have things work out for me? Take a deep breath and let it out. Now in that tapping, some other things may have come to you, such as other beliefs that may be there causing you to feel frustrated, feel like it's not working. Tap on those too. Because manifesting doesn't always work the way we've been told it works. I know from my own experience it often works out very differently, and it works out in its own time. Now some people will say that if you really can manifest well, you should be able to manifest something in an instant. Well, to manifest some things, other things have to happen first. Things just can't happen instantly. There are often stages and things that have to happen because there may be other people involved and other situations and happenings that have to happen first in order for it to come. Patience is important with manifesting. We can't just assume that because we haven't got it straight away after we started doing magic or law of attraction practices that why isn't here yet. these things can take time. And just allow that time and keep saying to yourself and tapping on the belief that things are always working out for me, that the magic, the manifestation is going to work in the best way possible for you. And that may mean that it has to take an extra amount of time to work. Yes, there may be still things that are blocking you in your mindset and in your beliefs and in your behavior more than anything. And over time, you can keep tapping away at those and looking at what those beliefs are and why you're not taking action when you could be taking action, why you're not following up on opportunities, why you're not following up on those creative ideas that are there for you to take and run with, because that's where the manifestation is working. Manifestation works not just in practical things happening to you, but things happening within you. So most of the time, it's your creative ideas or opportunities or talking to other people and them suggesting things. That's actually how the manifestation is working, that the magic is working through those means. And then you have to take action on those things in order for the manifestation and the magic to complete itself. And most of the time, what happens is we don't take the action, and we need to take the action. So if you're struggling to take the action, to understand what's blocking you from taking the action, do book that free 30-minute clarity session, especially if you want to do some coaching with me. We'll have a chat. I'll ask you lots of questions to help you get clear about what is blocking you and how we can work together moving forward. I also have a do-it-yourself course called The Wheels of Empowerment, which can help you unblock a lot of these beliefs that are keeping you stuck yourself at home in your own time, and you still have me to help you along the way if you need that help. So that's The Wheels of Empowerment. There's a link in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. I will see you on the next video.